Let's go check out that cave. It says dogs not allowed on trail past this point, but I saw a few people with dogs. Dang, it's pretty steep right here. Look at those mountains there, man. Looks beautiful. It's a 360 view right here, guys. Looks like the rain's gonna be coming here pretty soon. So you gotta make it in and out of this cave where the water comes. So it's over there somewhere, so let me get up there and then I'll show you all around. You got carpet. I wonder if people are always falling around here or something. Slipping or falling into these cactuses. Never seen this before. Carpet all the way in. I feel like a movie star. Well, instead of walking the red carpet, I'm walking the black carpet. Oh shoot, there it is, guys. Pause a couple seconds there so y'all can read that. Made it to the top. Let's go in. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's all black. It's dark in here though, no light. Who passed this way? Did y'all read that? I guess this guy lived here in this cave for a long time. The hermit. Oh crap, somebody murdered him in here. He spent almost 40 years living in this cave. I think. I don't know about that. The cave where you stand today is not a true cave, but rather a rock shelter filled with historic footsteps from humans, beings who have used or occupied it for thousands of years. You can find evidence of their presence below. There you can find 6 large holes carved into the rock. Those are bedrock mortars used to grind wild plant foods such as mesquite, beans, and acorns. So that's what it was. I was wondering what those holes were out there in the rocks on the ground. When I go back that way, I record a little bit of it so y'all can see it. Surprised no bats live in here. So that is the famous cave of New Mexico. Can you imagine all the cavemen and everyone else who lived in here? Not to mention all the wild animals and stuff. More carpet. Let's see what's over here for a little bit. Oh, I think that goes over there to the picnic area on the parking lot on that other side over there. A rock right there. That right there looks like a person. Oh, sounds like coyote puppies. Made it to the cave. Explored the cave. Now I'm on the side here. Doing a little exploring, but you see that rock right there? Doesn't it look like a monster or an alien or something? It's weird, ain't it? There's that one of the mortars or two where they grind their food and stuff. There's just another one right there. We got two more right there.
I'm gonna die, dog. There's a trail over here.